Trying to chat in games or calls only to realize the mic on your JBL Quantum 100 is not working can quickly become annoying. Many users notice teammates cannot hear them, voice chat stays silent, or the microphone suddenly stops responding even though headset audio still works fine. Sometimes the mic works briefly and cuts out, while other times it never responds at all. In many situations, a JBL Quantum 100 mic not working issue can happen because of loose microphone positioning, muted settings, audio input problems, or temporary device communication glitches. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or changing random sound settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the JBL Quantum 100 microphone working properly. 1. Check the detachable microphone on the JBL Quantum 100 and make sure it connects securely to the headset. 2. Confirm the headset microphone is not muted accidentally and adjust mic controls if available. 3. Open device sound settings and make sure the JBL Quantum 100 is selected as the active microphone input. 4. Disconnect and reconnect the headset cable securely to refresh the audio and mic connection properly. 5. Test voice chat or a microphone recording and confirm whether the JBL Quantum 100 mic works normally afterward.